So you guys know that I take customized CFA study plans one-on-one, and recently I met this client who has very limited time, who doesn't enjoy reading per se. In fact, is rather averse to it. Takes a lot of time to read. Takes a lot of time to even comprehend basic reading. But still, this person was like, you know what? No, I saw it on YouTube that I have to only read the CF Institute material. I need to solve at least 3,000-4,000 questions if I want to pass the exam, and I'll need to give at least 4-5 mocks. And this person was so overwhelmed. I was like, wait a minute, why do you need to do all this? He's like, no, this is the only way, otherwise I will not pass my exam. I was like, first of all, that is not true. Now, what is the method? I will tell you that later. But there's one thing that made me realize something that day, and that is that, we as human beings always feel that only and only the hard methods can lead us to success. If we try to choose a route or a pathway that is slightly comfortable to us, तो हम पक्का फेल हो जाएंगे. Guys, ऐसे नहीं होता. Not all hard roads lead to success, right? ऐसे नहीं होता. And sometimes the comfortable path, the easy path might actually be the right path for you. Why do we just feel the necessity to burden ourselves, traumatize ourselves, and just feel like नहीं, अगर हम ये नहीं करेंगे तो हम पक्का फेल होंगे? ऐसे नहीं होता यार. Sometimes, and more often than sometimes, learn to understand that even if a path is comfortable, it can lead to success. And especially when you as a person are not ready to deal with that level of burdens, क्योंकि आप वो लेने जाओगे भी तो आप ले ही नहीं पाओगे, and eventually that will lead to failure. Even though I'm talking about the CFA exam, now think about this in life in general and let me know your thoughts.